Challah at your boy because we're making challah French toast. Huh? See what it, well. Before starting, you need to cut some thickety slices of challah and leave them out overnight to go stale. This will allow them to have some texture while they rehydrate with the egg mixture. We're looking for that hearty, custardy French toast, none of that floppy diner schwill. Okay, pumpkin? Begin by mixing all of the ingredients together. 4 eggs plus 1 yolk, a 1/4 cup or 75 grams of orange juice with pulp because I'm like a grown-up, 2 tablespoons or 30 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 2.5 cups or 525 grams of milk, and a big pinch of salt. Now whisk away. I put the egg mixture in a loaf pan to get enough height to submerge the slices. Add a little butter to the pan and put it on medium-low heat. Put 1 challah slice at a time in the mixture and submerge. Leave it submerged until the bubbles stop. Flip and repeat. Then, place in the pan. Cook for 5 minutes per side or until golden and crispy. Very optional, you can put some sugar on each side before placing it in the pan to get a caramel kind of crust. But I'm a purist and I want the sweetness to come from maple syrup. You know, the real stuff. From trees. Finally, serve and enjoy. They're delicious plain or with a drizzle of maple syrup. Ooh, a hefty pour's okay too. It's creamy like a custard, but the butter and yeast of the challah is quite prominent as the orange juice cuts the richness. It's a wicked showstopper at your family brunch. The only real area where you could run into issues here is if you don't let the bread get stale enough. Leave it out, let it go stale, and then submerge it and let it soak up as much of the egg mixture as possible. That will prevent you from having dry French toast, and it'll be nice and custardy all the way through. You'll be okay. Just follow that and you'll be okay.